Hi, that's me, Retoon Sarat. Welcome to my channel. Let's have some fun.
Rithun?
Hi, Mommy.
Okay, today we have got a wonderful activity to do.
Yes.
Yeah, we are doing some prints. I have some animal prints here. Okay.
Yes, and have my.
And see, mommy has given something like boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. In this, there's different colors of different animals. Okay. Now you have to paint these animals and put it in the same box with the same color. Right? Are you ready to do that?
Ready, Mommy.
Okay, shall we start? Okay, mommy is giving you a paper. On this paper, I have written the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Now, what you have to do is, what's in number 1? The box number 1?
Elephant.
What color is that?
Green color.
Yeah, paint it with green color. Come on, pick that one. Yeah. This is the elephant. Okay, now you paint it with.
Elephant is very big.
Okay, paint it with green color.
Like an elephant. Put one on the top. Put the elephant on the top.
Number 2?
Monkey.
Okay, come on.
Now I will put the monkey on the top this time.
Oh, nice. Activity, the same print, like what's written here?
One.
Okay, now we have to give only one print of any of these animals. Okay.
What's
this?
Lion.
What's this?
TW2.
Okay, what is this?
Tree.
Okay.
THREE. Tree.
3. Okay, now we have to give 3 prints of animals. Okay, next.
FOUR. Food.
Okay, now 4. Okay, 4 prints you have to give. Come on, start.
Wait, I'm not painting the tail. This tail's missing.
Okay, come on, paint them. Okay, take it. Okay. Okay.
And now to do 2, 1.
How many you'll do?
2.
Okay, 2. Okay, fine. Now this is your next activity, Ritu. Now you have to read this and find what written here, and then you have to paste them here, print it here. Okay?
And it's a lion.
Yeah.
Lion. Lion.
Yeah. Now what's in here? Read
yes. NAKE. Snake.
Okay.
Now I have to place them this one.
Okay. It's a name written snake, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you are printing it with snake. Okay.
Take
it. What's the next one?
Elephant. ELEPHANT. Elephant.
Okay.
You love them. Now we'll place in this box.
Okay. Come on, take it. It's nice. Your next activity is like, I have written something. You have to read it and you have to do that. Okay. Now what I have written here, Ritu?
ONG1 and lion.
Okay.
LION, lion.
All right. Now what I have written? Read it together.
One and lion.
Okay. You have to paste only one line here. Okay.
Okay, mommy.
And what I have written here?
FOUR, four. SNAKE, snake.
Read it together.
Yeah,
What's that? What's that?
four and snake.
Yeah, 4 snake. You have to print 4 snakes here, okay? This is
Okay,
1
Mummy.
lion and 4 snake. Come on, do it. Okay, come on, take.
And put a pen. Take.
Oh, that's correct.
That's so much fun doing print activity with you. But is there this video? You all my videos. All I do the search my name. You spell my name with me. Ready? REDHUN. Return some reds. Good job. Alright. See you soon. Oh boy. You like it? You like it? You love it? Subscribe. Click here. Thank you.